I will be telling you how to delete messy stickers from your WhatsApp. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, comment under the video, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So, let's dive right into the video. Go to your Play Store and search WhatsApp. So, once you have done that, open the WhatsApp application and make sure that it's up to date. And once you do that, simply go ahead and click on open button and the application will be open. In here, go to a chat. In the chat, just go ahead simply and click on the sticker option on the left hand side. And here you will see a pencil option on the top right corner. Just simply go ahead and click on that. Once you do it, you will see that you can select between different stickers, and there is a delete option on the top right. Simply go ahead and click on delete option and the stickers will be deleted. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.